Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn some rules for changing a noun from masculine gender to feminine gender. ओके किसी नाउन को हम मैस्कुलिन जेंडर से फेमिनिन जेंडर में कैसे चेंज करेंगे. लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट बाय एडिंग ESS. ओके किसी नाउन में हम ESS लगा करके हम उसे मैस्कुलिन टू फेमिनिन बना सकते हैं. लाइक लायन, लायनेस. ओके एन आफ्टर एन वी एडेड ESS, then lioness. Host, hostess. Tiger, tigress. Prince, princess. Okay, so some nouns are changed from masculine to feminine by adding ESS. Next, by making a little change before adding ESS. Okay, ESS ऐड करने से पहले हमें थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ता है. क्या है? वेटर, WAITER, waiter. It is masculine. Now WAITRESS. Okay, means we removed vowel E and just after T we put a N, after that added ESS. Okay, likewise master, so mistress. Okay, A replaced by I and E is removed and put R, after that ESS. Okay, likewise God, goddess. As you know, God is always written in capital. Emperor, so empress. Actor, actress. Okay, these words are changed from masculine to feminine. So waiter में E हटा के हमने R लगाया, R के just after हमने ESS लगा दिया. Likewise master, mistress. Okay, God, goddess. Emperor, empress. Actor, actress. Okay, next, by changing the prefix or suffix. Okay, by changing the prefix or suffix. Prefix means पहले के words and suffix means बाद के word, means before and after. Masculine grandson. Okay, here granddaughter. Okay, so here we replaced son with daughter. Okay, son is masculine, then we changed son into daughter. So the whole word grandson changed into granddaughter, that is your feminine gender. Likewise landlord, here lord is masculine, so you changed it lady. Likewise landlord, landlady. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law, here son is your masculine, so we changed son into daughter. So son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Peacock, peahen, here cock is your masculine, so we changed it into hen. Cock, hen. Peacock, peahen. Okay, next, in some cases the feminine is found by using an entirely different word. Yes, entirely different words, like cock, hen. Hero, heroine. Monk, nun. Nephew, niece. Husband, wife. Fox, vixen. Okay, ये बहुत important है. Fox, vixen. It is generally asked in exams. Okay. Note: nowadays, poet and author are used in both masculine and feminine gender. Okay, like poet should be poetess, ठीक है, author should be authoress, but nowadays poet is used both for male and female. If poet is, generally poet indicates that the writer is male, but poet is used for female writer also. Likewise author, both male and female, so you must be aware of this rule. Nowadays poet and author both are used for male and female. Okay, next, governor is used in both masculine and feminine gender. Yes, nowadays governor is used for both male and female governor. Okay, material noun like silver, iron, milk. Abstract noun like truth, youth, happiness. Okay, and collective nouns like class, library and army are treated as neuter gender. Yes, there are 5 types of gender: proper noun, common noun, material noun, abstract noun and collective noun. So proper and common, they are changed in feminine and masculine according to their sense, but material noun, abstract noun and collective noun, these 3 nouns are treated as neuter gender. Okay, so no need to write he, she or any other words, okay, that indicate whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Simple it is used, it or they, that is they are lifeless. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept. That's all for today. Thank you.